Okay, let's jump straight into this explainer covering the absolute best, most realistic opportunities everyday Americans are using right now to upgrade their financial futures. We're looking at a landscape in 2026 where, let's be real, the traditional 9 to 5 just isn't always cutting it anymore, and people are taking matters into their own hands. So if you've been wondering how to get ahead in this economy, you are in exactly the right place.
So what if you could earn extra cash without actually quitting your day job? That is the ultimate dream, right? Well, today it's no longer just a dream. People are adapting and they're making this their reality. And honestly, the best part? We're gonna see exactly how they're doing it without needing massive upfront investments or having some secret VIP network of connections.
I want to anchor our entire discussion today around this very specific, totally achievable number, $1,000. Earning an extra $1,000 every single month is exactly how millions of Americans are currently fighting back against inflation, knocking out lingering debt, and fundamentally changing their financial trajectory. That is our goal today.
To get us to that goal, here's our roadmap. First, we'll look at the side hustle blueprint. Then, selling your existing skills, followed by building digital income streams, low-barrier income gigs, and finally, choosing your perfect fit.
All right, Section 1, the Side Hustle Blueprint, Achieving Financial Freedom.
This right here is the ultimate empowerment narrative. Why start now? Because this is quite literally how you fight inflation. It's how you pay off debt and achieve actual financial freedom. The old excuses, they simply don't apply anymore. There are zero massive investments required and absolutely no special connections needed. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can start moving toward financial independence today.
Moving on to Section 2, Selling Your Existing Skills, Trade Expertise for Income.
Let's break down two of the fastest ways to make extra money: freelancing and online tutoring. If you know how to write, design, edit videos, code, or run social media, you can instantly connect with businesses worldwide on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's crazy how many people start with tiny side projects and scale them into full-time careers. And online tutoring? If you've got a grasp on math, science, English, music, or coding, global tech platforms let you teach students across the country or even across the globe, all from your couch. Your knowledge is incredibly valuable.
The crucial takeaway here is that the startup cost for these skill-based hustles is practically zero. Your skills are your biggest asset. You don't need a bunch of upfront capital to write an article for a client or teach a kid algebra. You just need the knowledge already in your head and the willingness to set your own flexible schedule. Let's shift gears into Section 3, Building Digital Income Streams, Scalable and Inventory-Free.
This flow brilliantly illustrates the print-on-demand business model, which is exploding right now for very good reason. Look at how simple this three-step flow is. Step 1, you create a design. Step 2, a customer orders it. Step 3, a third-party company prints and ships it for you. This proves you absolutely do not need a warehouse. You carry zero inventory to sell physical products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make this fully accessible. You really just need some creativity and consistency. Now, another massive digital opportunity is YouTube automation. And the beauty of this one? Absolutely no face required. Countless successful channels are built entirely on voiceovers, stock footage, and solid educational content. People are flocking to niches like personal finance, history, tech, and motivation. But a quick reality check, this requires real patience and consistency. It doesn't happen overnight. But once you actually build that audience, boom, it generates a powerful, reliable stream of passive income.
Sticking with the digital theme, let's look at one of the most scalable business models in today's economy, selling digital products. Whether we're talking ebooks, printable planners, online courses, budget templates, or digital art, these products have zero shipping costs, none whatsoever. They have no inventory limits and absolutely no geographical boundaries.
The true superpower of this model? You create it once, and you sell it multiple times. If you have the ability to solve a specific problem or teach a valuable skill, this digital product model means you can generate income for years into the future off of work you literally only had to do once. It's a total game changer.
Next up, Section 4, Low Barrier Income Gigs, Simple and Accessible.
First up in this category is affiliate marketing. Simply put, this is recommending products or services and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link. Creators all over the internet are using blogs, YouTube, and social media to promote products. It is an awesome way to earn, but there's a major catch if you want to do it right.
And here is that catch. Long-term success comes from helping others, not just selling to them. People are smart, right? They're only going to buy products that actually solve real problems.
The absolute key to affiliate marketing is trust. You've got to genuinely believe in what you're recommending, otherwise this low-barrier gig simply won't work out for you in the long run.
Let's step away from the screen for a second and look at a surprisingly simple physical hustle in this low-barrier category: pet sitting and dog walking. This has blossomed into a massive American industry. Pet owners desperately need reliable folks to care for their animals while they work or travel. And today, you don't need to staple flyers to telephone poles. You connect directly with local customers via apps like Rover. If you're an animal lover, this offers flexible schedules, incredibly low startup costs, and it's just a fun way to turn a walk in the park into a profitable gig.
Let's land the plane with Section 5, choosing your perfect fit, taking action. Look, the truth is that there is no perfect side hustle. Sounds a bit counterintuitive, right? But it's true. The best option out there isn't some single universal secret. The best option is simply the one that perfectly matches your unique skills, your personal interests, and your current lifestyle.
You really have to ask yourself where you fit best. Some people absolutely thrive on freelancing and building digital content streams. They love sitting at a computer, designing, editing, or writing. But others? They just want simple, flexible local work, like dog walking or pet sitting, that gets them out of the house and fits neatly around their primary job. Both paths are completely valid, and both paths can absolutely get you to that extra $1,000 a month.
Regardless of which path you choose, here is your definitive formula for success. Number 1, take action. Number 2, start small. Number 3, learn as you go. And number 4, stay consistent. You don't need to have it all figured out on day 1, but you do need to start. Building just one additional income stream can completely alter the reality of your financial future.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. Which income stream is going to change your financial future? The opportunity is literally sitting right in front of you. The tools are there, the platforms are waiting, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. It's totally up to you to take that first step. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I highly encourage you to pick just one of these strategies and start building your new financial reality today.